it's me, Yana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I make lifestyle content, post-grad content, all that jazz, so definitely hit the subscribe button if you're interested. Today is Sunday and it is the day before I start my brand new full-time job as a therapist. So that's exciting. I'm kind of nervous, but it's gonna be okay. I have lots to do today. I've already been checking some things off of my to-do list, but I have to run some errands. I need to get gas, get groceries for the week, probably get something to eat. Then I had to do some content for a brand, so I just finished that. I need to pack my work bag, clean my water bottle, work out. I need to do my nails because this is just not it. I tried taking off like my gel nails, but I'm gonna try again for like 4 nails because it didn't come off. But I'm gonna soak them in acetone and then use this little tool to scrape it off, so hopefully it works because I don't want to go on my first day with crusty nails. And then I'm gonna pick out a first day of work outfit. But yeah, this morning I had a nice morning. I went to church with my boyfriend and I got Starbucks, and it was much needed for today. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling stressed out because I hope I can get everything done. Like, I just feel like I have so much to do and I just need to like reorganize myself. That's why I also scheduled in working out for today, because I know it'll make me feel better and clear my head. So yeah, I just wanted this to be like a little productive vlog of me preparing for my first day at my full-time job. That's crazy, isn't it? But before we continue on with the vlog, I just wanted to briefly mention Magic Mind. Magic Mind is a productivity shot. I've been using this for months now. I'm sure you all have heard of it, but I've been really busy and stressed out lately, and I've been trying to get into a routine. So adding Magic Mind into my daily routine has been really helpful. I love that it has natural ingredients and it's matcha and it has ashwagandha in it, which helps give you energy without the jitters, and it's kind of like calming but really gives me a clear head. And I have noticed a difference taking it every day for a couple months now. So yes, I love this product and it's really easy and you can do a whole lot with it. So yeah, if you are interested in learning more about Magic Mind, or if you want to get some for yourself, there'll be a link in my bio for you to learn more. And if you use the code YANA20, you can get 20% off of your order, which is really cool. So yeah, get it, try it out, see if it works for you. It's kind of fun to have something to take. So yeah, I'm trying to lower my caffeine content, and this is a great like supplement or replacement for caffeine. Even I still have my coffee in the mornings, have this in the afternoon. That's what I found works best for me. Some people I know use it in replacement of coffee or energy drinks completely, but I like to take it alongside of it or in the afternoon. So yeah, definitely go check out Magic Mind. And you know, I need all the productivity, all the energy, all the calmness that I can get, and this is just a tool to use alongside all my other habits and routines that I really enjoy. So yeah, definitely check it out. So I think now I'm going to go head to Target, pick up some groceries. Let's hurry up and get going. I made it to Target. I'll read you guys what's on my list. Well, I'll probably give you, what is my hair? I'll probably give you a haul. But yeah, I got gas. Love that. Greek yogurt, protein shakes, ground chicken because I want to do egg roll in a bowl, slaw mix, some cheese and crackers, snacking plate things. Those are just really quick lunches because I don't know what the lunch situation is gonna be. You know, at a new job, you don't know, like, is there a fridge, is there a microwave, like, what's going on. Iced coffee, Diet Dr. Pepper, because I've been craving it. And then I'm just gonna get like a pre-made pasta meal. Again, for my first week, I just want to make it easy on myself. I don't want to have to stress about cooking a ton, just have really quick, easy meals as I get adjusted. Carrots. I saw this everything seasoning dip with Greek yogurt. That sounds really good. Just some snacks, a spicy tuna packet that's a quick like snack or lunch. And then I also want to get a mascara, and I want to get the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to like put on my waterline. I don't know, I just feel like that would be a cute look. So yes, let's go. And it's nice because I have Target gift cards and a little bit of birthday money left over. So yeah, let's go to Target for like the 3rd or 4th time this week. Back from Target, so I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I got some Stoke cold brew just because it makes it really easy in the morning. I also got a case of Diet Dr. Pepper, but I don't feel like lifting that right now. I got the telescopic L'Oreal mascara to try out because all my mascara is like old and crusty. I got these veggie crisps off the beaten path. These are so good. Like, they're so salty and crunchy. They taste amazing. I also got some carrots, chips. I got some ground chicken for egg roll in a bowl. I also got this cavatappi pesto pasta with chicken. It's really good. I highly recommend getting it for a quick meal. I think it says there's 2 servings in here, but I honestly do 3 and then add like something on the side. I got 2 of these lunches because they're quick and easy. And then I got this everything seasoning dip to try with the chips. I also got some Oikos Greek yogurt coleslaw mix, and then I got these protein shakes, which I don't want to lift up because then everything's gonna fall. So that's just a quick grocery haul. I think I'm gonna run into Chipotle and get me something to eat because it's 2 p.m. haven't had lunch yet. I'm really hungry. Does anybody else get food after they grocery shop? Well, because it's like this is for the week. I didn't count for today, you know. So I'm going to do that and then come home, eat, chill for like a minute, fix my nails, and then we're gonna, after our food digests, gonna do a workout and shower and have a chill, relaxing night so that I can just feel at ease before going to bed tonight. And I want to go to bed early because I'm probably gonna get up at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow, just so that I have plenty of time to get ready and in case if there's traffic and all that, because I need to be there by 8, but I'm probably gonna leave at 7. So yes, I will talk to you guys the next time I talk to you. Let's see this goodness. Okay, it's hard to do it with one hand. OMG, it looks so good. I also got the vinaigrette to go on it. Yum, can't wait to devour this. Hey everyone, so I am about to work out. I picked out my outfit. Also, I changed into this, it's like an Align tank top dupe. It's from Target. I will try to link it below if I can find it. It's a very buttery soft. I love it. And then I actually got, with birthday money, I splurged and I got myself, I don't know if you can see, I got myself my first pair of Lululemon leggings. I got the Align HR pant in the 25 length, and like they are the tiniest bit long, but like the tiniest bit. I went to the Lulu store and I tried on like 4 different pairs, so I ended up getting these and they fit perfectly. So buttery soft. Love them. I feel like I'm gonna be addicted to Lulu now. But yeah, I'm gonna do a 45-minute at-home workout, and then we're gonna shower and pack our work bag for the day. Also, I figured out what I want to wear, so let me show you. For my first day, my first little outfit, I was thinking of wearing this kind of v-neck satin silky shirt just because it's very light and flowy, and then tucked into my Zara pants. I just feel like that would look so cute. And then I'll either wear my black flats, or I have like these nude pointed block heels that I'll probably wear. So yes, I have my outfit all ready to go. I'm trying to be better about preparing myself because there's nothing worse than when you wake up and have absolutely no idea what to wear. So I'm gonna wear this. And then for my work bag, I will be using this bag that I got in my last vlog, which if you guys haven't watched that vlog yet, you should. I am going to hype myself to work out, and yeah, I just feel like it'll help clear my head and it'll make me tired so I can get good sleep tonight, because I'm gonna wake up at like 5:30 tomorrow in the morning. So I want to be well rested, you know? But yeah, I really like this workout fit. Like, I just feel like this tank is so flattering, and the leggings are just sculpted. I just really like them. So yes, let's work out. Oh my gosh. I did it, everyone. I did it. 45 minutes of cardio. We did it. I'm dead. And I am so gross and sweaty, so we're gonna hop in the shower. That felt good though. Like, it was such like a stress relief, but I'm excited to hop in the shower. And yes, I still have to paint my nails and pack my work bag. Well, I kind of started packing it already. Let's go up in the shower because I am so sweaty and I'm so dead. Let's go. Who came to say hello? Jessie, did you come here to say hello? Oh, you're so sweet. I'm all showered. I had the rest of my Chipotle for dinner, and then I've kind of just been chilling. I tried to save my nails. It is what it is. We're just gonna call it a night for the nails, but I did my skincare and I'm getting ready to just hop into bed and read for a bit and then go to sleep. My bag is all packed. I'll do like a more detailed what's in my bag in a separate video, but I just have my planner. They told us to bring wired headphones, I'm assuming for like the training videos, and I did bring AirPods too. And then my wallet and documents and a little makeup bag with just some essentials and my car keys, of course. And I think that's basically it. I sprayed my room spray. It smells so nice and peaceful in here. My outfit is all laid out for the morning. I'm just going to hop into bed and read for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes and then go to bed early. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will be vlogging my first week of work, so stay tuned for that vlog. And yeah, and also just a quick reminder to be sure to check out Magic Mind. If you use my code Yana20, you can get 20% off your order. So definitely hit that link in my description. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching and for your support. And I'm excited for future content and all the 9 to 5 day in the life of a therapist vlogs and stuff that'll be coming. And I also recently started looking at apartments and things like that, so lots of exciting things coming. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.